once again to Fact About Your Sports Stars on Iriri Lagba TV, and I remain your host, Precious Akintulubo. Get in touch here always to get superb and exciting fact about your sports stars. Our focus today is on a footballer star known as Lionel Messi. What are 5 incredible facts about this footballer star? Let's go for a short break. We'll be right back. Hello and welcome back to Fact About Your Sports Stars, as we will be unleashing 5 facts about Lionel Messi. Luis Lionel Andres Messi was born on 24 June 1997 in Argentina, where he also hailed from. Here are some 5 facts about him. Growth hormone deficiency. Messi was not very healthy and nutritious during his childhood days, as he was affected by this disorder at the age 11. This caused him to be injected with growth hormones in his leg each night. 2. Italian root. Messi could be trained to Italian root if reckoned with his parent generation, indicating he is of Italian and Spanish descent on his father's side and primary Italian ancestry on his mother's side. 3. Highest Ballon d'Or win. Despite the range of players who have won the Ballon d'Or trophy, Messi still emerged as the top in the rank, leaving others behind him as he has won it 7 times. Ballon d'Or is a trophy that recognizes the best players in the world football. Indeed, Messi is incredible. Before proceeding to the final 2 facts about him, do not forget to subscribe to Iriri Lagba TV for more facts about your sports stars. The top 4 facts about Messi is unique diet. Incredibly, Messi's diet have been identified under 5 key foods comprising of water, olive oil, whole grains, fresh fruits, and fresh vegetables by the Foundation for his dietary regime. And the last incredible fact about Messi is committing to humanitarian service. Messi is reported to be a generous donator to charitable causes. One of his recognized charity reports is his donation to hospital clinic in Catalonia and another health center in Argentina during COVID-19. It's been an amazing edition today talking about Lionel Messi. We'll be dropping today's curtain on that note. Subscribe to this channel to get more facts about your sports stars. Also follow us on our social media handles, IG at @IririLagba_TV, Facebook @IririLagba TV, or mail us on michaeloli1999@gmail.com. I remain Precious Akintulubo. Till the next edition, stay tuned.